So what is up guys, Aditya back again with a new video, and today's video I'm having these earphones with me. These are Boat Rockers 255. So without wasting time, I'll be talking about these earphones in the further video, so let's continue. So here I've got the box itself. It says Boat Rockers 255, and at the back you have got the specifications about the battery life and the sound quality and the noise cancellation. Anyways, without wasting time, I'll be now unboxing this. And also to be mentioned that I have got these earphones on sale, so I got it in like pretty cheap deal. These earphones are usually around 1500 rupees, but I got this for 1000 rupees, so it's a nice deal anyways. Here I've got the black version of these, and you get another red color and a neon color version. And also these earphones are in matte finish, so it feels good in your hand. And yeah, anyways, moving on, these are the other contents which you get in the box. It's a USB 2.0 and other earbuds. So guys, here I have got the neck band itself, and as you can see, the band here which will go directly onto your neck is pretty thin and it's flattened. It's not in the circular shape, so I guess it will give a nice grip, and I don't think so it will feel pretty good on the neck, because if it was round in shape, or I would say circular, that would have been a better option, but yeah, it's fine. Anyways, moving lower here, as you can see, these earphones here comes with the inbuilt control. So you have the volume controller and the power button, and from the same button itself you can control your music or play pause the video, or just skip a video or just go back to the previous track. Anyways, moving on here, as you can see, the tips here, the earbuds are magnetic, and one thing to mention that these does not have any other function than connecting each other. It's not like the OnePlus earbud or some other earbuds which has magnet, like you just remove and the song or the video will not pause automatically. These are just to put these together and has no function at all. So guys, these earphones also come with the silicone ear tips, as you can see here, and which gives a really good grip in your ear, which means a better noise cancellation. So as I just put these earphone in my ear, they kind of create a seal, and I can feel a immediate reduction of the noise around me, and that's kind of a good experience. And in addition, they have added this extra grip on the ear tips, so it also gives a good grip in your ear and makes it difficult for these earphones to fall out while working out or doing some intense work. So that's one good thing here. And also these earphones are IP rated, so it's fine if you're working out or if you're walking in rain. Anyways, moving on further, I would talk about the ear tips again. As I have mentioned that these are the silicone rubber tip here. So the good thing here, they create a seal, but also it has a one bad, or I would say con here. That is, while creating a seal, it also kind of creates a vacuum in your ear. So sometimes you might feel suffocating, or I would say it is not comfortable. It's not that comfortable. And also on calls, it kind of gives an echo kind of experience while talking. You will feel like you're talking to yourself. But for music and movies, these earphones are really great and has a crystal clear, sharp sound, and I don't think so you will be having any bad experience while playing game on these earphones, or listening to songs or watching a movie. These earphones will give a great experience to you. I guess you will get used to these ear tips with the time, but at the very start you will not feel comfortable. So guys, now we are in the last part of the video, and this segment is called if it's a buy or it's a buy. And this time on these earphones, I would like to say these are really a great buy according to me, because of course these earphones are really cheap and has a great sound quality, and the bass and the highs, lows, mids are really good and clear. And I would also compare it to the OnePlus Wireless Bullet Z. The bass on these Boat Rockers is pretty decent than compared to the OnePlus earphones. Anyways, the only con here is about the battery life, that is of 6 hours, but that is also a decent battery life. I would say you will have to charge it around once, I guess 2 days. Anyways, this was all for today's video, and hopefully you liked it. And if you did, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Super Mending. I'll be leaving all my social media handle links in the description box below, so make sure you go out there and check it out. This is Supermaniac signing out.